We're gonna take you guys on a tour of Woodward West, Braille skateboarding styles. Oh! It's so fun. Why are you guys looking at me so funny?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on here.
We are here today at the beautiful Woodward West in Tehachapi, California. I don't know if that's actually how you say it.
Tehachapi.
But we're here today at Woodward West. They were kind enough to let us come out here for a few days to film as many videos as we can. My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Nigel Jones. This is Doug Destels, and this is... And we're gonna take you guys on a tour of Woodward West, Braille skateboarding style. So, should we start at the first obstacle or the first park? I guess so. Well, to your left, Dan, is the Woodward West, California sign. Giant archway and the whole entire like downtown area with you know, the bunk houses. It's like old Western style. So maybe Dan and I are gonna have a little shootout later. So I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what any of these park names are, except for Art Park, because that's my favorite. But a lot of you guys didn't like the Lake Street tour because I talked too much, so I'm gonna tone down the talking, hype up the skating, I guess. Okay, so this is
Animal Chin.
Do you know what this park is called?
It's Animal Chin.
Does anyone know what this park is called?
It's Animal Chin.
It says it right there, Gabe.
Does anyone know? This is Animal Chin Park for that giant ramp right there. Doug, what is the historical significance of said ramp?
The search for Animal Chin. It's an old skate video. You guys gotta watch it. Y'all gotta watch it. Look it up.
What year was that?
85 for me.
Dude, I was negative 12 years old.
It's iconic.
That's incredible. All right, well, I'm gonna do a trick and I'm gonna clean off. Much better. We're gonna skate. Like when you're filming these videos and you try to do the basics, all the basics become the hardest tricks in the world. I don't know why.
Just do something hard.
That's enough on the manu pad. Look at this thing. There were like 3 tricks in, he's almost died 4 times. So bad. Body. That's why I don't skate, Dan.
Should I back him? I should, right?
Get it, Doug.
Whoa, that slide's pretty good. Jesus!
All right, someone land something so we can move on. Yeah, Dan. And now we are going to the elusive vert ramp. Trying to get Uzi Dan to drop in on one of these. It's not going that well though. Go ahead, Nigel.
I might be able to 50-50. Oh!
All right, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Animal Chin mini ramp.
Now you go to invert.
Dude, that photo is so iconic. I think
I can do it. Shall we move on?
Oh, we're not gonna skate over there. Okay. There's a lot of park.
There is a light switch. Should I do it?
I'm straight up dehydrated.
So we're walking. Once again, here's that Woodward sign I was telling you guys about. Now we're walking through downtown Woodward West. We got the cafeteria over here. We got the main office over here. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. The good thing about Woodward West, Dan, is that they have these little Powerade containers and these tiny little in and out water cups with 1000% the best water in the entire planet. Best water in the world. Dan, you should get some.
It's vegan water.
Let me try this water.
Only the finest poured water for Aussie Dan. Man, it's good water, is it not? Okay, so this is the Target 7, but
Target
that
Plaza.
entire park, the Target Plaza. Okay, why don't you guys just say something then? Because I'm just here. I don't
You
know.
realize all the Target signs everywhere?
All of your guys' attitudes right now is about here, and I'm gonna need y'all to take it down to here. I'm at Woodward. I'm on vacation. Y'all need to calm down.
You seem stressed out if you're on vacation.
I'm fighting all you. I'm skating the Euro.
Where are we? Where are we? He don't know where we at.
Oh! See, Dan is there, and I was like, I'm not gonna do it. No, it's like, all right, I'll do it. And then that happened.
You gotta let me heel flip it then.
Go heel
Can I
flip.
heel flip it?
Slides.
Hops. Wow, Dan!
What in the world?
Should we go Target 7? Are you gonna hit this? Are you gonna hit that?
The 7?
Yeah.
Oh
You
yeah.
should do it with Nigel. Yeah. Go ahead. I'll film you. Whoa, that was cool.
That's a big
Yeah,
7.
go this way. Dan, we both got to push ourselves this week, man. Woo! You don't have to. I just thought it'd be cool.
It's far.
Get some Aussie Dan clips. You just got to go fast and do a regular ollie.
That's true.
It's too early for this. The thing about Woodward is that it has automatically morphed Uzi, Dan, and I into vert skaters.
You can drop in on this. Drop in, guys.
This is the crater, Dan. It's called that because it's a very large crater with a lot of bowl things that I don't skate, but Nigel does.
That's scary.
Like, he makes that look so easy, and it's not. Full vert, full vert. You ready for this, Dan?
I'm ready.
Full set.
What was that?
I didn't finish it yet. Dude, why is it scary?
Why would you do that?
I can't do it, dude.
Yes, you can.
Just drop in. Vert skater extraordinaire.
Let's get out of here. I'm embarrassed. We'll go to the junction, yeah. So here we have the Target gap that goes to the top of the roof. We come over here. We have the junction, which apparently is sponsored by Hot Wheels,
That's
which is
sick.
very cool. You got a nice little bowl over here. This is the infamous rail that I board slid about 25 years ago. It's doable. And we have the,
Go, Doug.
The forced air.
I want to jump this little thing right there, that gap. To where it says Woodward on the bottom to the other
To
little
the other one?
Wait,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this forced air. and
Do
then
this
you
forced-
get my
Then you
back.
do
Okay,
that.
back
Okay.
Gee.
Why?
Start in the morning, right? We're just waking up. Breakfast clips. Let's keep going.
Breakfast club. Let's keep going. I like this guy. Hello, yes, please. I'd like to purchase all of your pop.
That one slithered. What was that? Dang. That was sick.
Thank you.
Easy.
The snake round. This thing is tight. This is new.
This thing's fun. Okay,
That is a workout, dude.
film yourself doing it.
Oh my gosh. My legs are burning.
Film yourself doing it.
Why?
Ah!
Get a first person.
I'll get a behind view of Dan going. That's so fun.
That's actually really fun.
That's fun, Dan. That is so fun! Yeah, like once you figure out how to get speed, you can mob on this thing. That's exhilarating.
All right, where's next?
We're gonna just stick to the skateboarding aspect of Woodward today. But if you guys wanna see all the behind the scenes stuff of Woodward, the gymnastics facility, the rock climbing, the American Ninja Warrior, that's gonna be in our day in the life, which might not be up yet, but if it is, go check it out. If not, look forward to it. So we'll go to the other skate park over there.
Oh, that park back there? I don't think I've ever skated it.
You know what's funny, Nigel? 6 weeks ago, I was like, no, we ain't ever leaving the Braille house. Now look at us. Now
We
look
are
at us.
traveling everywhere.
We've been traveling more than we've been at home. It's fun, but we're also very tired.
very tired.
Should we take another patented water break? The last time I was here was 2015, and they had Glacier Freeze Gatorade in some of them. Dehydration comes quick out here.
Yeah, it does.
Doug says that this is called the Junkyard Park. There's not really anything I'll do here, but I'll roll around. Oh man, this is a little sketchy over here.
Jeez.
That was really good.
Oh!
Oh! Nigel, let's get out of here. All right, Dan, I believe this is the hangar. This is the best part of the park.
Hangar 18.
Because it's nice and shaded. And there's that.
You know what? This is where the magic happens. This is where I learned how to 900.
Easily the best one already.
It's so fun. As you can see, I'm now a vert skater.
Oh! Let's go.
I'm in an alternate universe right now. That was sick! He fed off the hype. That was inspiring. I want to go give him a hug. Yeah! All right, shall we move on? We're getting closer and closer to my favorite skate park in the entire facility, Art Park. It's the only name that I know like the back of my hand. And also my favorite obstacle, which is the pole jam. His shoelace untied halfway through the shove it. That was impressive.
That was really good.
Doug, your trick was good too.
Oh my god.
What
this
is
place
wrong
won't
with
be
you?
anywhere near-
Okay, it's possible.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wait till 12:15.
What?
Oh, I did a little roll.
Oh wait, now she's going to vert. So this is the official Woodward vert ramp, the one that Uzi Dan's gonna drop in on by the time we leave this trip. They got a basketball hoop right in the middle. Who wants to get dunked on? He's getting dunked on today. I feel like a basketball hoop in the vert ramp is like the worst place to have one.
It may not look like it on camera, but this is for crazy people.
I remember back to Aaron dropping in on this, and it's just like, I can't believe you did that. No fear.
Oh.
I feel like he could do that. Just let me get that manual, and then,
Okay.
and then I'll be good.
Okay.
This is where I draw the line.
Why is this where you draw the line? This is where the fun begins, brother.
Everything here,
that-
like
that
the exact
goes kinda there.
opposite of what I like doing.
What do you mean, Gabe? We're vert skaters. We're working our way up to being pro vert skaters.
I'm a pro. I don't need to prove myself.
Yeah, this one I feel is doable. You can do it.
I can, but I don't want to. That's like the epitome of my skateboarding career is I can do a lot of things, but I choose not to. Let's go over there then. All right, well, that was our comprehensive skate park tour of Woodward West. A huge thanks to Woodward for letting us come out here for the week. Nigel is sliding down the bank, and we have a lot of incredible videos planned for this week while we're here. So there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and definitely check out Woodward West. All the information will be right down there in the description below.
It's fun. I like this one.